Here is a great meal for your family for under $10. I have the Taco Fiesta black beans. I have some chicken breasts, which I have seasoned it to perfection. Look at those seasonings just popping on that meat. I have some cooking oil, which is vegetable oil, in a pan, and it is already hot. I'm gonna cook the chicken on both sides until it's done. I put the Taco Fiesta black beans in a pan and just kind of simmer them a little bit. Now you tell me I can't cook no chicken. Look at that chicken. I went ahead and made some instant mashed potatoes. I put the mashed potatoes, I put the black beans on top, and I put the chicken breast on top of that. And I went ahead and made some crescent rolls. Yes, I did. You see that little crescent roll trying to peek from the side over there? And when I tell you this is a good hearty meal for your family, they will enjoy it. They will think you slaved in the kitchen for hours, but you didn't. It's very affordable. Like I said, under $10. All you got to do is get 2 chicken breasts, cut them in half, and cut the half in half. You heard what I said. Cut it in half, and then cut the half in half.
Someone please help me.
This stuff was so good. It'll make you want to slap your daddy. Slap your daddy, I said. You heard me. Go slap your peppy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like more videos like this, please comment down below. Thank you.